Hello and welcome to this video for week 5 and week 6. Basically, if you take a look at the checklist, we're on week 5 and 6. You have one more reflection to do. You've got finance homework, finance exam, modeling homework, and a modeling exam. So I'm talking to you here on Monday, July the 2nd. The finance exam is due Monday, July the 9th. And the modeling exam is due Friday, July the 13th. So 2 tests left in these last 2 weeks. So you have quite a bit to do here. The modeling chapter, some of those assignments go rather fast, and a couple of the finance assignments are not too bad, but each of the chapters has some more challenging sections towards the end of them. So keep that in mind. As far as extensions, if you haven't used your 3-day extension yet, that could easily be done on the finance exam. It is harder for me to do that for the modeling exam. I am required to turn grades in just a couple of days after the course ends, and the course ends on July 13th. So I really am probably going to be turning in grades on July 16th, the Monday. So it's going to be only some extreme circumstance that would have us delaying this modeling exam due date for anyone. So keep that in mind that you really need to get these 2 tests done by July the 13th. So that's it. If you have some kind of urgent thing, again, email is the best way to handle that. Otherwise, I'll probably have a little feedback for each of you coming in your reflection comments in the next few minutes. So thanks, and good luck continuing with this last couple weeks of the course.